Welcome. Our topic for today is division of numbers using the long division method. Long division is a method of dividing large numbers into steps or parts, breaking the division problem into a sequence of easier steps. The basic parts of long division can be listed as follows: dividend, divisor, quotient, remainder. A dividend is a whole number, or the number of things that need to be divided into certain parts, certain equal parts. Take note. The divisor is a number which divides the dividend. The quotient is the result of division. The remainder is a leftover part, or the number left after the division, which cannot be divided further. So we can see 24 divided by 3. 24 is a dividend placed inside. 3 is a divisor placed outside. Up there is the quotient, which is the answer, while the remainder is 0. The remainder is down here, which is 0. So when you're given a question and you're asked to solve using the long division method, please put the dividend inside and the divisor outside. When dividing numbers using the long division method, follow these steps. Step 1. Take the first digit of the dividend from the left. So we are going to begin with 7, right? We will start with the first digit of the dividend, which is 7. Step 2. Divide it by the divisor and write the answer on top as the quotient. Divide 7 by the divisor. So 7 divided by 3 gives 2. That is why we have 2 written up there as the quotient. Step 3. Subtract the result from the digits and write the difference below. What it means is that digit is 7. So subtract the result. What is the result? 3 times 2 is 6. So we will subtract 6 from 7 and write down the difference. 7 minus 6 is 1. Step 4. Bring down the next digit of the dividend if present. So here we have 2, which is the second digit of the dividend. We bring it down. That gives us 12. Step 5. Repeat the same process. So here the first digit is 1. 3 into 1 is cannot, so we will take 12. 3 into 12 is 4. We will put 4 up there on top of 2. Then we will say 3 times 4 is 12. We will put 12 under the 12 down here and subtract. And that gives us 0, which is the remainder. The moment we have our remainder as 0, the long division process is completed. The moment we have a remainder that can no longer be used to divide, then the process is completed. So 72 divided by 3 is 24. Example 2. 129 divided by 3. The first digit from the left in the dividend is 1. 3 cannot go into 1, right? So we will take the first two numbers, that is 12. 3 into 12 is 4. We'll write 4 up here. 3 times 4 is 12. We put the subtraction sign and subtract. 12 minus 12 is 0, so we leave it. We move over to 9 and bring it down. 3 into 9 is 3 times. 3 times 3 is 9. So when we subtract, the answer is 0. Once we get our answer as 0, the process is completed. You would notice that I did not write 0 under 12 minus 12. The reason is this: we still had another digit. When you have a whole number in maths, you are not allowed to put 0 in front of it, so we just leave it. So 129 divided by 3 gives 43 as the final answer. Example number 3. 132 divided by 3. 132 goes in, 3 stays outside. The first digit of the dividend is 1. 3 cannot go into 1, so we will take 13. 3 into 13 is 4 times. 3 times 4 is 12. We subtract. 13 minus 12 is 1. We bring down 2. That gives us 12. 3 into 12 is 4. 3 times 4 is 12. 12 minus 12 is 0. So 132 divided by 3 is 44. Example 4. 425 divided by 5. The first digit here is 4. 5 cannot go into 4, so we will take 42. 5 into 42 is 8 times. We will put 8 up there. 5 times 8 is 40. We subtract. 2 minus 0 is 2. 4 minus 4 is 0, so we have 2. We bring down 5. That gives us 25. 5 into 25 is 5 times. We put it up there. 5 times 5 is 25. When we subtract, we have 0. So 425 divided by 5 is 85. Solve the following on paper, snap, and submit using the long division method, please. Thank you.